crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is finally time to unbox this toy. It's just been crazy. So today, this Friday, has been one of the craziest Fridays I have had at work. It hasn't helped that this week I have just been really under the weather. I think mainly because of getting that COVID booster and that for the cruise I'm getting ready to do and things like that. But still, it's been, today was just off the hook crazy. It was like a full moon and anything that could possibly happen was happening, and just beyond me. All right, so, all right, there's the first one. Oh my gosh, and the second one. All right, so I'm gonna set this on the floor to make it a little bit easier. Trying to make sure you don't get the wrong view of me too. All right, so let's see what is in this pretty new box. So it is the TL18QVP, which is what I wanted. I've been using the 2000, which is the bottom of the TL line. This is the top of the TL line, but it's all single stitch. It doesn't do anything else. It's got great speed. It's just what I wanted, and the fact that they were coming out with this special edition just made sense for me to wait for it, because the one that's been sitting here will end up at Shady Pines, and this one will become my new full-time machine. So I am excited for that. All right. So it's like, come on, guys. Y'all had to tape this, really? So, just excited to just at least get it unboxed. So hopefully you can see, but this has got the platinum color finish on it to match the whole profile. Sorry, I'm going to jump on and off camera a little bit. But it is what it is. I want to make sure that I give you a nice unboxing real quick. I'm not going to make this a super long video, but just excited to get things going, to start stitching again. I did work on my half square triangles last night and got those going again. All right, so there's that. And the cord. Woo, everybody needs a cord. We all need power, right? I don't have a garbage can over here. How strange is that? I swear I used to. I don't. That's what, oh. I've got two on the same side of the room. How crazy is that? All right, so we'll set that over here. Let's keep going, John. Let's get this done. Let's see what this is all about. All right, so this is the table, which I will not need and will not be using because I have my other workstation. It did come with many parts and stuff, but as you know, I use pre-wound bobbins. Not sure what everybody else is doing, but that's what makes sense and works for me. And I think, finally to the point, wow. They definitely packed this in here to stay. Oh, and that's the cover, which I have to say I think Juki really cheaps out on the covers, but it's not like mine will get covered very much anyways. And here is the new sweetheart. It is going to make everything all good. One. And two. Definitely had enough styrofoam in that to make it from Japan without any issues. Or China or wherever they make these. Oh, look how pretty, folks. Look what a beautiful new little sister we have. Oh, to add to the family. So let me put that down. Wish I had better lighting. I am working on getting more light in here, but it is a really pretty platinum silver color. I will tell you, if you've not seen one yet, the pictures does not do this color justice. This is a much prettier machine than what was showing up online. So I am super excited. How wonderful to finally get my new machine. It does have the gold emblem on there to show that it is a special edition, along with the special color in that. So guys, I appreciate you watching a few minutes as I unbox this new arrival. You will be seeing me work on it this weekend, and as always, hope you have an amazing Friday evening. Woo! The weekend is finally here, and happy crafting.